JF-17 Thunder, or CAC-FC-1 Xialong, is a new generation lightweight single-engine multi-role combat aircraft developed jointly by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) and the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) of China. It can be used for aerial reconnaissance, ground attack, aircraft interception, and a variety of weapon system arsenal is provided on the aircraft. It can deploy diverse ordnance up to 3,600 kilos. That's including air-to-air, air-to-surface missiles, and it's also equipped with a 23mm twin-barrel autocannon. It's powered by a single Russian RD-93 afterburning fan, 8,450 kilos of thrust. It's known for producing quite a bit of smoke trails, as you will see during the demonstration. Therefore, there is an upgraded version on the way. Is to become the backbone of the Pakistan Air Force. Its first JF-17 squadron appeared in February 2010, and 4 years later 49 units were in service out of 110 ordered. The aircraft has an air-to-air refueling capability, improved avionics, enhanced load carrying capacity, data link, and electronic warfare capabilities. Various countries have shown interest in this aircraft, not to name Algeria, Argentina, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Egypt, Iran, and many others. The JF-17. Passing now at low speed, the JF-17. This aircraft is capable of a top speed of Mach 1.6. Maximum supported G-load is +8 and -3. The JF-17 Thunder from the Pakistan Air Force has a service ceiling of 55,500 feet. And the aircraft is practically 15 meters long, 14.93 to be very exact. Has a wingspan of 9 meters 45. And as said Pierre earlier on, its maximum takeoff weight is 13.5 tons. The aircraft is now coming in for landing, and it will be followed by a slightly bigger aircraft, the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner.
Maintenant à l'atterrissage, le JF-17, et regardez à l'atterrissage, il va utiliser un système de freinage parachute qui va se déployer à l'arrière et qui ensuite sera largué, récupéré par des opérateurs au sol.
JF-17 has just landed, and as you can notice, it's pulled out its drag chute.